In today's video, we're going to discuss how to start stock trading as a beginner. So you're thinking about stock trading and you want to make sure you get a good start. Then you're in the right place at the right time. Let's talk about the tool sets, skill sets, and action sets you're going to need to have a great start to your stock trading. First, let's talk tool set. You need a computer. For the best experience, you're going to want a laptop or a desktop computer. If all you have is a tablet like a Surface Pro or an iPad, you'll have a little bit longer learning curve, but don't worry because trading can be done from a tablet. For the best experience though, get a laptop. And you don't need to spend a lot of money either. Even cheap laptops can run most trading softwares. If you already have a computer, chances are you don't need another. Start with what you've got. Once you've chosen your computer, it's time to get some charting software. This is the software you'll use to study the stocks and determine the best trades to get in and out of. More on how to do that in a minute, but know this, not all charting softwares are created equal. There are some great ones to choose from, but my personal favorite, and admittedly I am biased, is Charts by TRADEway. It connects with some of the best brokerage firms, so you have everything in one place. It'll cut your analysis time way down, which means you can find better trades a lot faster with less effort. This software was designed and programmed by veteran traders who have taught others to trade, so they developed it to be a phenomenal starting tool that grows with you as you improve as a trader. So I really believe it'll be the best experience for you starting off. Go to chartsbytradeway.com to get started. Other options would be Thinkorswim, TradingView, and TC2000. I've used them all and none of them are bad. Some will have a longer learning curve than others. So if you want to keep things simple, stick with Charts by TRADEway. Once you have your computer and your trading software, it's time to get a brokerage account, also known as a trading account. Think of this like a bank account that connects to the US stock market so you can trade stocks with the money you put in it. There are lots of great ones to choose from and most are free to open. You only pay a small commission when you place your trades. I'd suggest TRADEway, Schwab, Ally, E-Trade, or Choice Trade. All of these will integrate with Charts by TRADEway, so I think they're great choices. TRADEway will save you a ton of money, especially if you plan to trade options in the future, because they have some of the lowest commissions in the industry. Okay, so that's your tool set. Get a laptop, choose a charting software, and open a trading account. Now that's what you need to actually place trades in the stock market. But unless you've traded before and you already know what you're doing, we need to talk about skill sets. The oldest book in the world that contains economic business principles that still hold true today is, believe it or not, the Bible. In fact, our most prestigious business schools like Harvard, Yale, and Brown University all started as Bible colleges. And in that Bible, there is a verse that says, "Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom, and with all thy getting, get understanding." The word for wisdom here actually means skills, and the word for get means to purchase. So this verse is teaching us to purchase other people's skills. And by paying them to share their skills, we will gain an understanding that could lead to skills of our own. Now, since you're spending time with me on this video, I want to show you how powerful that can be. So here's a quick run through of what trading can look like. First, I open my charting software on my computer and connect to my brokerage account. Now I'm ready to trade. Then I use the software to find stocks that are financially stable and growing. This would normally take weeks to do, but with my Charts by TRADEway software, it takes minutes. I look for a price pattern that seems like it's repeating itself so that I can find a great price to trade the stock. Then I double check that the market as a whole is moving up as well so that I'm synced with the momentum of the stock market. Then I place my trade, type up some notes about why I thought this was a good investment and at what price I plan to sell my stock. Now, what did I just do? I showed you the three most important types of analysis you can do on all of your stock trades. The first one is fundamental analysis, which is making sure that I'm getting into strong growth stocks. The second one is technical analysis, which is how I identify the best buy and sell points. I look for those price patterns. And the third one is market tone analysis, which is making sure that I'm synced with the market so that the stock will actually go in the direction I expect and make me money. You see, when I trade with skill, or what the Bible calls wisdom, I'm not guessing, gambling, or going for it. I have a strategic approach to the market that gives me a better chance at being profitable. If you just learned something, anything, from watching or listening to this, then guess what? You just purchased understanding with your time. So that's your skill sets. Finally, you need to have an action set. What actions can you take right now to begin your stock trading journey? First, you need to create a trading schedule. Time that you use for learning and using your new skill set and measuring your performance. This does not have to take up your entire life, but you do have to be intentional about making it fit your life. Next steps after that are paper trading. This is where you trade with pretend money so that you can make mistakes without it hurting your bank account. Then, when you feel ready, begin trading with small amounts of money with the goal of doubling that money. This is how you begin to gain a deeper understanding of the trading process and what works best for you. Finally, the best action you can take right now to get to your goals faster is getting a coach or mentor. This is what sets TRADEway apart. Our coaching staff can walk you through setting up everything. They can teach you how to use your charting software and your new skill sets and help you understand all the complexities of stock trading by keeping it simple, giving you goals, and supporting you every step of the way. This will speed up your learning curve so that you can get to the level of skills you need fast. So there you have it, your tool set. Get a computer, get a charting software like Charts by TRADEway, and get a trading account like TRADEway. Your skill set. Start by finding and trading only growth stocks. Look for repeatable price patterns so you can see where the highs and lows are. Buy low, sell high. Make sure your trades are synced with the direction of the market. And then your action set. Set a trading schedule. Start with pretend trading, and then move towards small money trading with the goal of doubling your money. And finally, get a coach to speed this process up and activate one of the oldest business truths from the Bible. Get skills, and with all thy getting, get understanding. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more, check out the links in the description below. We'll see you next time, and then we'll see you in the market.